Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video. This one is going to be a new one for my channel, but it's probably one that you'll start to see a little more often. But it's going to actually be the first unboxing on my channel. I'm refilming this because the first one was a fail. My mic was not on, so I completely recorded the video and then the mic wasn't on, so I look dumb. But I am going to try to refilm it for you guys. Hopefully you'll still enjoy it. But I am unboxing some things that I got from Poshmark. If you haven't heard about Poshmark, Poshmark is a website and app where you can buy and sell and trade things on the website. So shoes, clothes, jewelry, things like that, all available for you on Poshmark. You're actually able to offer a price that you would like to pay for an item, and your offer sits there for 24 hours, and the person selling the item has 24 hours to accept or decline or counter your offer. And yeah, it's once you offer, you're committing to paying whatever you offered. So I think it's a really cool thing. I am going to start listing a lot of my things on Poshmark. So I do have it listed in my about page if anyone ever checks that page. I don't know, most people don't, but I do have it linked there. I will also link it in the description box below. So if ever I'm doing a haul and there's something you're interested in or something that you like, go ahead and shoot me a comment and say, you know, are you going to be putting this on your Poshmark, or just check my Poshmark, and if it's there, then it's available for you for sale. And even if it's not, just message me and we can see what we can do if it's something that I just haven't gotten around to posting yet. So I don't want this video to be very long. I just wanted to kind of come on here and share with you my experience and how it worked for me, and kind of tell you guys that I will be opening my Poshmark closet to some of the things that you guys see in my videos as well. What was I gonna say? What else was I gonna say? Okay, as you guys know, I am obsessed with vintage Dooney Bourke purses, and so I went ahead and ordered some through Poshmark, and I actually ordered 3 purses, and 2 of them came today. One of them I ordered the 31st of January was when I ordered one of the other ones, and it didn't ship until today. The thing about Poshmark is they send you shipping paperwork, and you go to the post office and pick up the boxes. So there's really no reason why my shipping should not, you know, why it shouldn't come out in the next 1 or 2 days. But you know, some people are procrastinators, and so that's probably what she did. I think you have 7 days to ship an item out before they nullify your purchase. So she just sent my item out today, and that item I will be unboxing on here for you guys. Actually, if you watched my vintage Dooney Bourke collection, you saw that my first purse that I purchased was one that I absolutely adore, but it is not authentic, and I was really interested in actually purchasing an authentic one that looks just like it. So I found one online, and I did order it, and I purchased it. So I didn't want to delay this video though, so I'm going to wait for that one to come in. And what I've decided that I'm going to do is I'm going to compare the authentic one to the one that I have. So if any of you guys are interested in knowing how to authenticate a Dooney Bourke bag or anything like that, then I'll have that video up so you guys can see it whenever it comes in. I think that'll be cool, and I think that's a good idea to do. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the ones that I just received. First one I will show you. When I look for vintage bags, I look for bags that are not typical, like aren't standard, and that are different. And so when I saw this one, I was like, I have never seen a bag like this. I had to have it. And it is just this one. It's kind of a messenger style bag. I can wear it as a crossbody. It has the long strap. I love this bag, and I don't know if you can tell on camera. Oh yeah, you can. It's green. It's in pristine condition. I mean, like, there are no scuffs or anything. I don't know that the person who had this prior even used it. It doesn't smell like anything or anything like that. It does have a pocket in the back that opens up, and then you have these 2 brass things here. They're super heavy, super good quality. You can tell just by touching it. The bag is just, oh, I love this bag. So I'm going to open it up here. And it has these 2 flaps over these pockets, which I actually like that, because then your stuff isn't falling all out. And then this is the inside of the bag. She also included a thank you card, which I think is a really nice touch. It's something that I'm gonna try and implement on my Poshmark because I think that's really nice, and it's very personal, and I think that that's really cool. It has 2 pockets, this little snap pocket here, and then this zip pocket here. And that's just what the inside looks like. It's super clean. Like I said, I don't know that anybody ever carried this bag. I don't know. But here is my authentication tag and the serial number here. And yeah, I love this bag. This bag she actually had listed for either like 75 or 80 bucks. I offered her 60 and she took it, so I got this bag for $60, and I think that it is well worth that price. I mean, I'm super happy with this purchase, and I will make sure that I go on there and tell her thank you and that I love it, because I'm really pleased with this purchase, and this is going to be one that I can carry, I think, for a while. So there's that one. And then I ordered a little bit of a smaller messenger style bag. This one is in a color that I do not have in my collection. It's black. And I love this bag. Like, this one has this little, I don't know what this is called, like what this type of closure is called, latch key or something like that. But what triggered me wanting this bag is this handle right here. Like, that is so nice to me, and I can take the straps off and just carry it like that if I wanted to carry it like a clutch style, or I can carry it with the handles with the long strap on like a messenger bag. So I really like that. It has a pocket in the back, and it has, now this one does have a little bit of a smell to it. It's nothing horrible, but it does have a smell to it. What I appreciate about this one is that she actually put a dryer sheet in there. That's a tip to you guys too. If you ever buy a vintage bag and it has a smell, or even if you're just storing your bags for the winter or whatever, put a dryer sheet in there, because it helps to keep them fresh and keeps the moisture out and all of that. It's a really, really good thing. I'm glad she did that. Here is my authentication tag and the serial number on the back there. And this one just has the card holders here and then the zip pocket here. This is what the inside looks like. When she sold it, she was selling it at a discounted rate because of a stain on the inside. I don't really see the stain. I don't know what stain she's talking about, but I'm so glad that I got this purse because I love it. It's black, and I don't have a black one in my collection, and I got this for $20, which I feel like is a great deal on such a unique bag. And she also included a little something with her in her box too. This is just a little like clutch pouch or whatever that she included, and it's not necessarily something that I would particularly wear, but it's a very nice touch that she added this in here because she didn't have to do that. And I only spent $20. It's not like I spent 60 bucks, you know, or any $100 or anything obscene like that. So for her to add this nice little touch, even though I only spent a little bit of money with her, I will be returning and shopping her Poshmark for sure. But it just has these little pockets in here, and she also included a free shipping or $7 off your next order. So I think that's phenomenal. That's something that I might look into implementing in my Poshmark sales too. I think that was a really nice touch, very personal, and I really appreciated that. So that's the 2 bags that I got, guys. Nothing too fancy. I just wanted to get on here and share that with you and kind of let you guys know that I will be selling my items on Poshmark too. So be sure and let me know if you're interested in anything in the description boxes, in the comment section below. And I will have my vintage Dooney Bourke collection list linked up here so that you guys can see it, and I'll also have it listed on here so that you guys can go to that one as well. Be on the lookout for my new green vintage little Dooney bag when I compare the 2 of those. I think that'll be exciting. If you want to see that, comment down below and let me know that that's something you're interested in. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for you today. Please excuse me. I don't have any makeup on. I don't have, my hair is just pulled back. I just washed it this weekend. But I wanted to get on here really quickly and share what I had with you guys. So, yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for the love and support, and I will see you guys next time. I love you. Bye.